Hey guys, this is Paul from WMR Competition Performance in Stewart, Florida. And today I want to show you the Maptuner NANO. The Maptuner NANO is a new generation tuning tool that will allow you to flash your ECU with custom tailored maps, customize and control your vehicle settings, adjust performance parameters, unlock new features, and receive real-time engine data all within the palm of your hand. Unboxing your Nano is very easy. All you have to do is slide the outer shell out of the inner box. Once you slide the outer shell, you proceed to remove the Nano out of the black box. And make sure to remove the lanyard from inside the box. This will provide you with a secure attachment for your Maptuner NANO, so you can carry it around your neck in a safe place. After unboxing the Nano, let's walk you step by step through the connection procedure. The first step of the process is to locate your communication port. In this case, we have a white 6-pin plug. 2023 models only have a red 6-pin plug. Once you locate your communication port, you proceed to connect your HDMI Maptuner NANO cable. As soon as you plug this cable in, the bike is going to power up. Next, you connect the Maptuner NANO to the HDMI cable. Next, you proceed to pair the Nano to your phone by pressing the button until you see a blue LED flashing. At this point, you go to your Maptuner app on your phone and connect it.